This is my Poco X3 and I just shorted this little dot over there to this line. Did I make any mistake? When I am turning it on, it is like giving a little bit of this blinking light and not giving anything else. Even when I charge, it just gives this blinking lights and did not turn on or do anything. It was not turning on from several days, and I just did this shooting after seeing a YouTube video. Did I do the correct job or did anything wrong? When I measured the voltage from this point to this point, it was around 3.45 voltage and I shorted it. Did I messed it up more or is it worth it? It is not still turning on. Any ideas?